Do your students love video games as much as mine? What if I told you you could help your students prepare and think of the big state tests like they prepare and play a video game? If you're new around here, my name is Kathy Martin and I help 6th, 7th, 8th grade and Algebra 1 teachers experience more aha moments in the classroom and save time and money with lesson planning and resources. Test prepping and video games actually have a lot in common. Whether we're about to dive into a new quest or prepare to fight the big boss, we can take all the knowledge into test prepping. Real life meets math. Let's dive in and talk about how we can think of test prep like a video game. Ready? Okay, step one, level one, whatever you want, however way, whatever video game speak you can think of it. Number one, we need to learn the controls. Just like in your video game, learning the controls of the state test is exactly the same. And by learning the controls of the test, I mean we got to figure out how to move through the game, just like the test. Level two, number two. We got to level up each question. See what I did there? Question. Okay, that was a bad joke. But we have to know on the state test what the question is asking us to do, right? Just like in the video game, we got to know what the video game is asking us to do of our main character, right? So what is the question asking us to do? And how can we look at that question and figure out keywords, so that we know what is the strategy that we need to move forward. And number three, learn from the pros. When you are playing a video game, there are other people, other professionals who have done this before you have, right? They have made the mistakes. They have gone before you so that you can learn from them. Just like state testing, we have to learn from the pros. That means we need to take all those strategies that we have learned and use it on the test. So those strategies being read all of our answer choices, right? We're not just reading choice A and being like, that looks good, I'm going to pick that. We got to read A, B, C, and D, or however many answer choices there are. Eliminate any of the bad ones that we know for sure are wrong. Eliminate all those dumb bunnies, as I call them. And then finally, three, use your prior knowledge, all of those skills that you've built up to this point to help you get the right answer. So to go over again, how can we think about test prep like a video game? Level up your controls, learn the controls, level up your question, and three, learn from the pros. Check out our next video where I'm going to be sharing with you how to prep for state testing every day without feeling at all like you're prepping. Register for our next free training all about state test prep success, specifically made for middle school math teachers like you and me, where I'm going to show you everything that you need to prepare for state testing with relevant, easy, and practical math strategies that you can implement right away and walk away with 1 hour of professional development. All you have to do if you want to sign up for our free training is click the link in the description box below, and I will see you in our next video. Bye for now.